Good afternoon, folks. I'm News 18 meteorologist Cameron Hopman with today's weather vlog. We are looking at temperatures getting down into the single digits during the afternoon hours. Wind gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. We're looking at the coldest afternoon in exactly 2 years. In fact, January 21st, 2011, temperatures only got up to around 11 degrees during the afternoon, and as of 12:30, we're sitting at 10 here in Lafayette. So winds continue to be breezy to very windy throughout the last few hours. We've seen wind gusts as high as 30 miles per hour so far today. We're seeing sustained wind speeds anywhere from between 15 to 20 miles per hour. So with temperatures sitting around 10 degrees right now, wind sustained at 15 miles per hour, wind chills, or what it feels like outside, -6. And that is nothing compared to what we're going to be looking at later this afternoon and overnight tonight. Now, what's causing all of these very cold conditions? Well, earlier this morning, we actually hit our high temperature just after midnight. 19 degrees will be the high for today. But this afternoon, temperatures will continue to fall. That does not normally happen, obviously, when the sun rises. Things begin to warm up. Well, with this case, it's a different story. Low pressure system up to our northeast continues to move further to the east-northeast throughout the rest of the day, but it's dragging that cold front further to the southeast. And what that means for us is strong northwesterly winds. We also have a high pressure system to our northwest that is creating a channel of very cold northwesterly winds, Arctic air moving on in, and that is why temperatures are dropping so low at this point. In fact, once again, 10 degrees now. Temperatures later in the day today are expected to be in the single digits. Wind chills during the afternoon will be as low as -15, and then overnight tonight, temperatures will continue to fall. We're looking at overnight lows right around 0 to 1 degree, pretty much area-wide overnight tonight. Some parts of the viewing area could easily drop below freezing tonight. Wind gusts will still be around 20 miles per hour, and that means wind chills overnight tonight will be overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, I should say, right around 6 to 7 a.m. tomorrow. Wind chills can be expected to be anywhere between -15 to -20, maybe -22 degrees by tomorrow morning. So we are looking at downright dangerous cold conditions. With temperatures like that, or at least conditions like that, frostbite can occur between anywhere 20 to 30 minutes for exposed skin. So please, if you have to be out tonight, dress warmly, dress safely, bundle up, because we are talking about, at this point, we stop talking about it being cold and, hey, you need to bundle up, and we start talking about actually being in dangerous, hazardous conditions outside. So please just be safe over the next 24 hours. The good news is that temperatures tomorrow afternoon will begin to rise. We're looking at afternoon temperatures in the mid to low teens, which is still cold, still well below average. In fact, about 20 degrees below average for this time of the year, but it beats the heck out of wind chills, a -15 during the afternoon hours. So things will continue to warm on up throughout the next few days. Temperatures getting up to around 24, which is still 10 degrees below average for Wednesday afternoon. We'll see more cloud cover move in. And something I actually didn't hit on is the snow we saw this morning. Light flurries that we did see this morning. We got anywhere between 2/10, maybe 3/10 of an inch of snow pretty much around the viewing area. The problem with this snow, things are so dry. The atmosphere is so dry at this point. That humidity is so low that this snow is falling. It's very light. There's very low moisture content in it. So it doesn't take much for wind to pick this up. On top of that, we have those wind gusts obviously up near 30 miles per hour. That is picking this snow up. We're getting blowing, drifting snow. Another reason to be safe. Driving conditions over the next 24 hours will be a little bit dicey. So please, another reason. Be safe on the roads, drive safely, allow a few more minutes for you to get to your destination throughout today and especially tomorrow morning when we still see those wind gusts up near 20 miles per hour. The good news is some of that sunshine later today will help maybe melt some of that snowfall. As we get into the rest of this week, I should say, we do have another chance of snow moving on in. Thursday, about a 30% chance of snow late Thursday night into early Friday morning. More snow expected Friday morning, maybe into the afternoon. It depends on if the current models stick. Right now, we could be seeing nearly an inch of snowfall for Friday. As we get into the weekend, things will begin to finally warm on up. Saturday, we'll see a high temperature right around 23, which is not warm once again, but we do see the 30s make a return for next Sunday. 34 your high temperature that day. So after we get past that snow, things will finally begin to warm up once again. That's pretty much all I had for today, folks. If you have any questions about the forecast, feel free to email Chad, Jesse, and I at WeatherTeam18 at WLFI.com. You can find us on Twitter at WeatherTeam18, and my personal email is Cameron.Hotman at WLFI.com. Until tomorrow, I'm News 18 meteorologist Cam Hotman, signing off.